Yeah,
very. But I could tell you Christmas stories that would just make your hair curl. When those Hollywood stars say, what was your best or worst Christmas? I mean, I could just fill a whole day.
39 years?
Like one show I went to, they brought 12 models in various shades of blonde. They were from Sweden, because I named my dog Sweden. Joanne said, let's go to their academy in Sweden. And I'm like, Blair, I'm married. Sarah's about 3 years old. And on Christmas Eve, for some reason, I got it in my mind that I said to Blair, I know. And I said, Joanne, I can't really take the money to go off to a hair thing in Europe when I should be going on a family holiday with my child and my husband, right? Somewhere along the way, I got it in my mind, Blair's going to give me that trip for Christmas. But I just thought, I don't have to make it. He'll make it for me. Show. I don't have to feel guilty because whatever, as I'm thinking all this stuff. My husband is the least extravagant person you're ever going to meet. But I'm from an extravagant family. I've been married 39 years. Still disappointed every Christmas. But after finally about 20 years, I finally clued in. I'd be waiting all day because I'd think he's not going to give me my real present in front of his very economical family. It'll be coming later. And I'm driving home with Blair and Sarah Christmas Eve night on a snowy, foggy night. And Blair's like, I hope you're not going to be disappointed tomorrow morning with your present. Blair, if we have to go on a family holiday to Hawaii, it's okay. So Christmas morning comes along and we're sitting around and everything, and Sarah says, there's a dog downstairs. And I'm like, what? Christmas present was this dog. And he had been on the phone and he put the papers of this registered dog in a CP envelope. I just got it in my head that I was getting this trip. So I never wanted this ugly dog. I hated it from the first moment I saw it. And I had the dog for about 6 months, and then I finally said, to Blair's mom, in case you hear we're getting a divorce, I just was so fed up with him. I said, it's the dog or me.